Hello, Trey.
Yeah, I'm calling about the job.
Hello?
Yeah, I'm calling about the job.
About job?
Yeah, I'll take it.
I mean, did someone tell you that
Yeah, I
you
saw
didn't
the
call
ad
the
there posted
correct
on
number?
Craigslist. You know, I've been running restaurants for years. I could dance circles around most chefs. So,
Okay, I'll give it to the manager.
yeah, put your boss on with me.
What do you do?
I do everything. Literally everything.
什么都会，餐馆的那些东西，他自己开过餐馆。
My specialty is actually sushi, but I could do anything.
OK，但是呢，他开过餐馆。
Hello.
Well, can you do like fries, like Chinese dishes?
Can I do fries? That's American
Yeah.
food. Heck yeah, I could do fries, but why would you want fries? I mean, I could do anything.
Stir fry, not fried.
Oh, stir fry. Man, I stir fry for days. My stir fries are silly. The ladies go nuts for them. Your boss will love it. Make one stir fry, he'll love it.
This is a Chinese restaurant, so we want someone who can do it perfectly.
Right. No, I see. Okay, I gotcha. See, I lived overseas for years, alright? Started when I was in the military, but anyway, I'll tell you what. I'll come in there tomorrow with all my tools and my knives, and I'll show you what I could do, and you'll start me on tomorrow.
Hey, I'm not the one who's running this whole place, you know.
No, I'll show him.
Okay, I'll just give the phone. Hello?
Alright, so I start tomorrow, right?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll see you then.
Okay.
Alright, don't chat my ass there, Nips.